Humans are able to imagine many possible states or outcomes of something unseen, but once observed, only one of the possibilities materializes, meaning that we experience a single reality, to which we then adapt. But what if observation does not lead to a collapse into a single reality? Imagine living in a multiverse where you simply act as if only your desired universe is real. We introduce a new type of multiverse-based interaction where not observation, but the user's behavior determines which possibilities turn real. We call this concept desired realities. To understand how a desired reality works, we need to talk about parallel universes. In this example, the user throws a basketball with an uncertain velocity, which means that there are many possible trajectories. It is hence possible, but not certain, that the user scored. Only after picking up a ball that previously passed through the basket, the score becomes real. Here we can see the multiverse and the single universe that became real post hoc based on the user's actions. This interaction can be seen as retro-causal, as picking up a ball affects an earlier outcome. Consequently, if the user picks up a ball that missed, then no score is added. The same principle can be applied to menu interactions. If the user clearly presses one of the two buttons, then ordinary mid-air menus appear and only one universe is needed. However, if the button press is uncertain, then two competing menus appear. In this case, the desired menu becomes real post hoc based on the type of follow-up interaction. More specifically, doing a pointing gesture implies that the user wants to press a button. Hence, the menu with buttons becomes real. Conversely, pinching implies that the user wants to move a slider. The menu that contains sliders then becomes real instead. Our concept can also be applied to sequences of uncertain actions. Here, we have a sorcerer's desk with 2 potions and 2 magic wands. The user tries to pick up an object, but due to the imprecise pinch, it is uncertain which one they meant to pick up. Now the user stretches their arm, which means that they meant to pick up a magic wand, but it is still uncertain which one. The green wand summons plants, and the red wand summons creatures. Both wands support the same circular gesture to summon a magical entity. This means that the circular gesture still does not help disambiguate which wand the user meant to pick up in the beginning. So another follow-up interaction is required. The plant cannot be placed in the air, so the user meant to summon the flying creature, which in turn means that they meant to pick up the red wand. In the future, we plan to investigate the implications of interacting in a multiverse and to explore the potential of desired realities. To conclude, with desired realities, possibilities turn real by simply acting as if they've been real all along.